Cantalina.
Cantalina.
Hmm.
So what's up mga mananap? So we are currently padulong sa
Cantalina Falls.
Cantalina Falls here in Amlan. So we are currently in the land of dragonflies. There's so many.
Yeah. So muna yung view. We'll take a view of that later. But this one here, if you see a coconut na walay dahon,
It's chopped off. Di mo nag pang plato.
money so good.
Hear that? It's the sound of nature. So we're near the falls. I can see some murky water.
Yep, this is the waterfall. It drops to that one. Napalayo ras. Dari tindog dapit to. Mao na ang waterfalls. Lubog kay Gaulan.
Guys, abot na mi. But
We're on top.
we're on top of the waterfall. Then we're gonna go up here to see some fishes. Probably.
Because I'm going to be greater than any of them. Because I'm going to be greater than any of them. Naruto! The next
So guys, pwede may mga ligo. Okay. murky.
What's up, Mananaps? So it's a bad day to come here because the water is murky. But definitely, this place is worth checking out because daghan siyang mga pools that you can swim in. And I think on that area there, you can actually jump. So small drops, smaller than the ones, definitely way smaller than the one over there. But we don't know the way going down. Ato dito. Daghang bukong po, galutaw-lutaw. So, wala siguro ito ilami dito iwan. Pero ganun siya, okay na. And I think if you go straight to that area there, you can find more pools above, upstream. Naka-bad shot lang, daghang basura dire.
Oh no!
So guys, if ever you come here, please. If you there's a sack provided. Punta, but people are just leaving stuff here. Mask, mga baat sa buhok. Really sad. It's a great hangout place supposedly.
Full of tadpoles.
Sa Cantalina Falls in Barangay Cantalina, Amlan. Very accessible. It's labeled as Pasalan Falls, but it's not the real Pasalan Falls. It's the Cantalina Falls. Okay? So, we'll just come back on a better day. See ya! Stay safe, Mananaps.